Yes, Felix appear yet in catch a ye pa wababontin ababe tutuja ababe kasa more dim pa na nensem ni membo so kra mo enko nekuti Felix appear ansem ono so e de abetutuja na ebe di ho enkomo.
When something goes wrong, NDC wants to stay out. Even projects they know nothing about, in Chroma projects, they want to claim it. Then when you tell them, present the particulars, they go and bring a fool like Kevin Taylor to sit there with his nose and his face buffoo. Since when did Ghana sing to this level? Say, Akoda Ketwebi to say, Basenteli, to make us a year coalition. Now, or no order 5,000 men to meet us, and we have an IGP in Ghana. You guys are jokers in this country. Okay, yes, yana fellas one way, and yamano na yo, me no credit because a Ghana, your maybe a June Ghana ho, near June Ghana can't qua. Sabi, Rollins a croma ya die, you know. When to me, baby say, I'm ordering 5,000 men, go to this coalition. I mean, like, go to this coalition center. Since when did we end there? And the stupid NDC has forgotten that a time will come, that table will turn. When the people was in power, I mean, some of them, you call them, they don't even pick up. Today, we are in opposition. And so would you be. But at the end of the day, Ube ruling, you know, what impact did you leave? Now, NDC people are telling us that, now, person we are more, 5,000 men. Now, every time you see, say, EC, so baby, order them to go to where the EC is. And they forget and say, yes, maybe today it is benefiting the NDC. But tomorrow it would not. And I know these NDC people. Sometimes when I talk, and you say, come on, I have friends who are NDCs. The correct ones. But you see, this is their nature. Constitution currently, Constitution, when they were in power, the Constitution was good. Did you ever see them complain about Constitution? The moment they came outside of power, and they were now being used, the same Constitution was being used for NDC. Yampene, Sadia, Yamfa Oliver Nitriso, and a Saquas Yampa for Ralph Nomono, Yamom read the Tramon, no one can want a constitutional overthrow. Stupid political party. You have a child, your constitution. No matter how bad it is, it has kept us for all these over 34 years. And then because of maybe just a little 4 years in opposition, you incite youth to overthrow the same baby, the same constitution you ruled the country with. Are you normal? You are not normal. Are you a human? Maybe, but one with no feelings. Where is the patriotism? To the point where you're MP. When you are an MP, you are not an MP for NDC. Because the area where you at, the people there are the people you represent. So aside from you making laws, you represent the people. So when you go there and tell me, say, you would rather do NDC agenda to the point where the other day, I was listening to the majority leader, Afenyo Markin, and I was so sad, say, NDC has a political committee in their party. And whatever their people in parliament do must be approved by the political party. Adia yadiya jumama Ghana ninano. Send this for the core now one political we committee in the case yanji way intuma. Even if it will help Ghana, the people in the parliament have to go and say no. And that is what they did. Nasebi. And yes, what's a betting tax in yet, my boy? Into Oba, Ube ye free ho. I said the own says how we free wa. Unya revenue, are the bedding, would be rule your man into no. Oh, shut up a chicken on us. Now I'm saying, can you a tramo fund the cocoa pun was a jubilee house one on? Mama, so a banu and child side, Mr. The tramo fund because hey, and one over did you. Betting tax, and one year did, and I will say, Ube you betting tax now, then, every ho. Mikacho said this man has been handed the cheapest election ever because he didn't sell no message. On only 24 hours, he couldn't. He is always breeding people that will cause chaos. And that is why the question is, did we vote for chaos and hooliganism? Because that is what they're showing. Spearheaded by John Dramani Mahama. Don't see him as a peaceful guy. He's a very dangerous guy. In 2020, he went and signed the peace pact. Didn't he sign? He signed. But till date, he was not able to congratulate Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Till date. But on the day, Ninia Baobia, or Pegana ye no person 20, or consider man no I na funo. Oh, yes, Mahama Semna making. Why na funo so be a John this mu no Gina ho and ya de wa say or by a press conference. But a koye didn't ya be near na nye John Mahama de. Such a demonic guy, the Assemblies of God, a Katan who did deep on it, and people are going after it. I say Mahama is an alternative. Cause said the concrase, ko catch them crase for say, ye be ye, oh be she fua, sebe, ba umi abejo, and we see a tax. And we see a tax. I wouldn't him professor the awo can you throw, now so just to get vote. Now there Yana say, back to my first thing.
Yes, we any sema echo so e man gadi mama sa kam dia but my 12 video a ewo.
Omunya vote na dia no mode. They do nothing with it. Now, no, it serves MPP right. Let me come there. Just for a little bit. It serves MPP right because MPP is the only political party that because of Onuankasa ni internet, or better to the amanitan for some family nkuno. Inti be that. MPP does that. They do that, what idea be an card bebuano, a boy will cry on kind now ready on fire, Talono croc or that you see. But you see, when I came here in March, I told you something about NDC and we all laughed. But it is true. Senior, if an NDC man steals 30 pesos, Obe making sure say, Obe check 30 pesos, no Obi a Obi a Nebiadi. Eti ye bodu ya e kon mu ninara. En tokwaba so a ye ninara be kwa kokon. But ye MPP for no, ebinu be ye nim fefefe. Oh me, oh bibia be okay. Scanish a ho, no they are shese be ne baby. Utie, na ma ye Armstrong. Na afi ade na bu abonu a walusu awie no, na afi do omu puska na bre oh, kona koka samai, kona koye we maye. We keep killing our own self. Because no government did the work Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo did. It is never true. Mamo be another. Juma Nana de me say NDC for no krende.
Ahanam lika seboy na ebisam lika seboy ebramitin edi obinge bro sechi makramu.